In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust screen brightness in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Whether your display feels too bright at night or too dim during the day, knowing how to quickly change your brightness can make your screen more comfortable to look at and easier on your eyes. Let's start with the simplest and most common way to adjust brightness, which is through the Quick Settings area. On your Windows taskbar, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see a group of small icons, like the network icon, volume, and possibly the battery icon if you're on a laptop. Click once on that area to open the Quick Settings panel. Inside this panel, look for the brightness slider. It usually has a sun icon next to it. Click and drag the slider left to make your screen dimmer, or right to make it brighter. As you move the slider, you'll see your screen adjust in real time, so you can stop when it feels comfortable. This method works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, and is usually the fastest option. If you prefer using the full Settings app, or you don't see the brightness slider in Quick Settings, there's another way. Click the Start button, then select Settings. In Windows 11, choose System, then Display. In Windows 10, you'll also go to System, then Display. On the Display page, look for the Brightness or Brightness and Color section. You should see a similar slider here. Again, drag it left or right to find the level that works best for you. This is useful if you're already tweaking other display options, like scaling or resolution. On many laptops and some desktop keyboards, you can also adjust brightness with dedicated function keys. These are usually along the top row of the keyboard and often have a small sun icon, sometimes with up and down arrows. On most devices, you'll need to hold the function key, often labeled FN, and then tap the brightness up or brightness down key. This is handy when you want to adjust brightness without using the mouse at all. If you're on a desktop computer and you don't see any brightness options in Windows, your monitor may handle brightness directly. In that case, use the physical buttons on the monitor itself, then go into its on-screen menu and adjust brightness there. Take a moment to experiment with these options so you can quickly change your screen brightness whenever lighting conditions change.